சம்பந்தப்பட்ட serverless CLI, so which is a command line application. So with the help of this command line you can automate data manipulation using CSV and then your database. Okay, so we recommend don't put your own database. I mean, you can also create a new DB and then work on this, which is useful for especially for data manipulation stuff. So you can schedule this stuff and then you can work on that. Okay, let's go into a quick demo. So this is actually the pip. So before installing this pip, you need to create your own virtual environment and then just copy this and then just you can put it and then you can install. So I have already installed those, that's why it was showing requirement already satisfied. So you need to install that. Before applying any commands, you need to have a see a JSON, like the JSON with these data. Okay, so keys are very much more important. You need to give your database information. No need to worry about that. We are not going to take any info because it's just a command line information. It going to run in your server. Okay, and then you need to give the database host, user and password and then database information, and then be careful with the image table and then result table and the folder path. Okay, you can also give any folder path name. Okay, so first command you need to give is like serverless CLI, and then you need to give the JSON test.json, and then you need to give information like read underscore db. Once you uh, put enter, automatically it read the database from the input table. It takes all the information from here and then yeah, it was cloning the project and then it has been read your particular info and put it in a first underscore output dot csv. Okay, and then you can also run that particular project. For example, test.json run, and then you're going to run the process one. So let's take a look into the process one. Process one is like a code template. Don't actually please, we do not require, we recommend to put your own imports. So we recommend you to use only pandas for your data manipulation, so which will be helpful for the CLI. So you can write your codes and all here. Okay, from 7 to 27 you can write your own code. You can remove this process log one and then um, you can also put your name and then you can also give this name and then you can also give this name. It's under your choice. Okay, before before applying, please go through some pandas commands which will be much more helpful. Okay, and then after that you are going to run for test. Okay, so for that you need to run command like serverless CLI test.json run process underscore one. Okay, don't give .py and all, automatically it will load process one and then process 2.py and then process 3.py. So automatically it will read the database information and then it will write it into a API and then so this final, so don't disturb any CSVs. Okay, automatically it will automate everything inside this folder. Okay, it's especially for data engineering work. And then once every testing was completed, like we can say it like process 1 is for development, process 2 is for QA, and then process 3 is for production. Okay, and then once everything is completed, once you have been developed your scheduling operation, you can like process test dot run, you need to remove everything and then schedule, you need to schedule the information and then dash dash. I'm going to put it as minute, 1 minute. Okay, and then let's give a port like 4000, and then we need to give enter. Okay, it started in post 4000. Okay, it's not a post method, actually it's a flask app, so it's running on port 4000. Okay, sorry for the mistake. And then it will automatically wait for 1 minute, and then it will write the thing. Okay, let's see about php myadmin. I'm using php myadmin for my reference. Okay, you can also you can use your own custom database information. Here I have the customer info, and then patient info and the result. Okay, customer info uh, comes from, see, the hospital database is about hospital db. So hospital db, and then input table is about customer info, and then input table is about customer info, and then output table, uh, yeah, result table is about result. Okay, automatically it will show the result. Don't, this result is about previous thing, and then your result is like, yeah, let's see. Yeah, see, now your result is like the date and then time and all. So there is a small bug in this, so we have been working on that. So it automatically read the hospital, yeah, customer info table, and then do some database manipulation, and then it inserted the data into the thing. So this is the core concept of this project. So the command is about, yeah, the command is about the command, if you're while giving the command, you need to be careful on that. The first command is like serverless test.json testdb. So I can put it in a, okay, I can put it in a text file. So cmd.text. Okay, so first command is like serverlesscli read, and then second command you can also give write db, so it will write for testing purpose. Okay, it's about process. It's a simple commands. Nothing complex is going on here. And then this is about a final thing for scheduling. Okay, you can also use date, I mean day, for minute. You can also give hour, and then you can also give day. Okay, mention how many, after how many days it going to be run. Okay, that information you need to give. For example, if it need to run each and every fifth day, means you need to give day is equal to 5. Okay, that's all the information. So pause the video and read the commands, and then the url, it is serverless cli. Okay, this is the actual url. Okay, pause the video, and then make use of this tool. uh, so we will be updating this uh, as soon as possible. Okay, thanks a lot.